We are on your side with an important reminder to check your smoke detectors. We are currently in the middle of National Fire Prevention Week. This year's theme is all about smoke alarms and correctly using them. WBTV anchor Alex Giles spoke to fire officials in Gaston County for this week's Safety First report.
Gaston County fire safety educator Lee Kish has a personal connection to the dangers of fire.
My brother-in-law's home burned down. It was the middle of the night. They were all asleep. They didn't know it was happening. Thank God they all survived, but it could have been very different. Smoke alarms really do save lives.
Part of Kish's job is to show people how to correctly use smoke alarms and explain how important they are.
3 out of 5 fire deaths are related to the fact that smoke alarms are not working.
She showed me the smoke alarms she has in her home. And Gastonia Fire Inspector Jim Landis showed me how to properly crawl out of a room if that room is filling with smoke.
You hear that alarm go off, it's time to get out. Feel the door. The door's not hot. Open it, go down, and crawl out.
Of course, the first step is hearing that alarm. Kish tells me it's important to change the smoke alarm batteries when the device notifies you it's time for a change. She says it's also important to clean the detector. She says it makes them last longer and work better. And finally, she says the alarms should be swapped out altogether every 10 years. In April, a fire engulfed this home on Grimes Street in Charlotte. The home itself suffered serious damage, but no people were hurt. The fire chief gave credit to the smoke alarms.
Thankfully, they had working smoke alarms, so that's the importance of those. And so no injuries as far as the family or the pets is concerned.
If your smoke alarm works, you have a much better chance of surviving in a fire. That is your early warning system.
That's why fire officials encourage you to check the batteries monthly and make sure the device is still working. Reporting in Gaston County, Alex Giles, WBTV, on your side.
Good advice there. We want everybody to be safe. Now, Jim Landis from the Gastonia Fire Department says the local fire departments in Gaston County will install smoke alarms for people who are in need of assistance. That is good. Have you checked your